The Thermalright 360 AIO with 3.5-inch display. Got a couple manuals here, pluck 'em, tuck 'em. Accessories box. Got a nice braided cable, SATA and USB-C. Alright, we got AMD and Intel brackets. And now we have the unit itself, nice reflective branding on the box. And this display, yeah, it's large. And speaking of large, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your boy. Wow, this thing looks so good. Here it is. Give you a nice little close-up. See how you like that there? We got 4 magnets, 1 in each corner. You can see here at this screen, you can connect basically in any direction. It just pops on, just pops off. Just like that. Here are the fans and that Thermalright branding right there. The fins look good. This is the radiator where the water flows through to cool down after getting that heat out of the CPU. Pretty basic design, but looks good. The 2 water lines, like Ariana, can move side to side, but you do have these removable and adjustable clips that will prevent any movement. The 3 fans plug into each other with wires and don't have that new wire-free interlock thing going on like Lian and others have done. We have ARGB and fan headers here. And now that Intel bracket. It is adjustable to fit different Intel boards, and it will work with both older and newer setups with Intel. The arms are adjustable. That's going to help with that fitment. And if you take a look down here, they even spelled out Intel for you so you don't get it mixed up with the AMD boards. Here's some Thermalright thermal paste. I never used this before, but it may come in handy. I think that's what we'll use on this build. Not to mention there's a first time for everything. It comes with 3 fans already attached, but I'm gonna go ahead and add these 3 cheap knockoff fans just to make it all pop and to give it that push-pull configuration for even better cooling. Here we have the AMD version spacers with AMD clearly marked on the bags. AM4 and AM5 clearly marked. There they are. After removing the bracket that came with the motherboard originally at the top with the 2 screws, we're going to add one of these red spacers in each corner up here. One here, one there. Now the AMD bracket, it just lays on the spacers and you'll have to use the new screws that came with it to tighten it. But don't go overboard with the tightening. You want to tighten just till it wants to stop and then maybe add like a little quarter turn on top of that. Now, this AMD bracket, you'll know which way to place it because you should see the AMD branding on the top, and the little swoop on the bracket should face the CPU. So the top bracket's going to swoop down towards the CPU and the bottom one's going to swoop up towards the CPU. Okay, we're doing the same thing down here at the bottom, and don't over tighten. Okay, here we're attaching the cold plate onto the CPU. We're going to go back and forth with the screwing of the top and the bottom to give that nice even Texas Hold'em spread, you know, with that thermal paste. Looks good. The screen just attaches magnetically and it has one USB-C type cable that connects to the side of it. Other than that, you're pretty much done. Toss that software on there and get the screen loaded up. Looks beautiful, that big old screen. Enjoy.